Denver's housing market is finishing 2025 on a strong note. Prices are up again, homes are still moving, and buyers and sellers are both finding opportunities. The October numbers show a market that's healthy, steady, and still full of potential. In this update, I'll walk you through what changed in October, what stayed consistent, and what it means if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Denver area before the end of the year. The median close price in October was $595,000, which is an increase of about 1.5% from September. That steady rise shows Denver continues to hold strong while many other cities across the country are flattening out. We had 3,354 closed homes in October. That's a small seasonal dip of about 7%, which is completely normal for this time of year. What's interesting is that pending sales went up slightly, rising just over 1%. That means buyers are still active and ready to make moves as we head towards the holidays. The total sales volume came in at $2.46 billion, which is only a slight decrease of just over 1%. That tells us that prices are keeping overall market value stable even as the number of transactions dip for the fall. Now, inventory landed at 3.73 months of inventory, just down to about 4% from last month. That keeps us in a balanced range while neither buyers nor sellers have full control of the market. The key takeaway here is that Denver's market is stable and healthy. Homes are selling faster. The median days on market dropped to 33 days, which is down almost 6%. That shows buyers are acting when they find the right property. Now, right now, active listings sit at about 12,495 active listings, a drop of 4.5%. New listings came in at 4,483, which is about a 10% decrease. Fewer new homes hitting the market helps keep prices strong as demand stay consistent. What do you think the market will do as we move into the winter? Will prices keep rising, or do you think that more inventory will show up early next year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I always like hearing what buyers and sellers are seeing in real time. All of this data points to one thing. Denver's housing market is balanced and it's strong. Prices are up slightly, homes are selling a bit faster, and inventory is healthy. Now, this is the kind of market that supports long-term growth without the pressure or chaos that we saw a few years ago. Now, if you're selling, now is a great time to list before winter slows things down. Homes that are priced right, presented well, are still selling quickly. Now, if you're buying, this is your window to move while rates are steady and competition is lower. Waiting till spring could mean more buyers and less negotiating power. The bottom line is simple. Denver's market is stable, strong, and still full of opportunity. Prices are rising at a healthy pace, buyers are staying active, and homes continue to hold their value. If you're ready to buy, sell, or you just want to understand how these numbers fit your goals, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to walk you through your options and help you make a smart move before the end of the year. If this update helped you see the market more clearly, give it a like, subscribe for more Denver housing updates, and share it with someone who's thinking about making a move. I'm Kareem Howard, your Denver real estate expert, and this was your November of 2025 Denver Market Update.
you.